This is a quick video about using the KO2 as a MIDI controller of two analog synthesizers. So I have the Kobol currently on channel 1, and I have the Pittsburgh Modular SV-1b on channel 2. So I set this one, by default it's going to be at channel 1. This one I had to set to accept MIDI channel 2. No problems, just read the manual and let's go ahead and check it out. So to verify, I'm going to go to Shift Sound. It's currently on MIDI, and this one is currently channel 2, channel 2, channel 2, channel 2. There you go. Thanks for watching this video. Sign up for our newsletter at joyofsynths.com. My name is Anthony, wishing you the joy of synths.